Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of Gaming Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to fix quick hit slot not working. So the very first step to check is make sure that you are connected to your internet. So go to your control panel and here you can see your Wi-Fi option. So make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi. Now after that, make sure that you have downloaded the correct version of the quick hit slot from the App Store that is recommended for your device. You can check that by opening your App Store. Click on search bar and type in quick hit slot. Here you can see that version history. I have downloaded the latest version for my phone. So make sure to check that for your phone. Now, even if all these steps are correct and still it's not working, then simply try to contact to the quick hit slot customer service. Then they will surely guide you through different procedures. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to comment down below if you have any queries. Thank you.